Hi, today I am going to tell you how to earn money online. Before starting the video, I request you to please subscribe my channel and watch the video till end so that you know the complete procedure how to earn online money. So start there. The first way that you can earn money is from freelancing. Freelancing is very popular nowadays. You can search multiple websites like Upwork, uh, 99 Designs, and others, where uh, there are different clients that put their project and you have to bid there. After the successful bid, you will work for their project, and after that you can earn money uh, against the bid. There are numerous websites you can search by googling it, and the second way is starting your own website. Starting your own website is making a website online and put Google ads on there. So by this way you can earn money from AdSense. Third one is affiliated marketing. Affiliated marketing is that once you make a website, then put the other companies website, other companies allowing them to put their link in your website. By this they will pay for it, and this is known to be as affiliated marketing. Fourth one is survey searches and reviews. Survey searches and reviews means that there are numerous websites that are paying for surveying, or by knowing some interest, or by searching, or by reviewing a product. So by this way you can also earn money. Fifth one is virtual assistant. Virtual assistant means that the company is located anywhere else, and you are working from home for that company. uh, After deciding some of the hours, you will work for the company, and the company will pay for you for the uh, work that you are doing. Sixth one is language translating. Language translating is means that there are numerous languages. There are numerous videos of the different languages, and different websites are allowing you to translate them into the desired language. And after you have translating, you will be paid for it. So this is the way that you can also earn money. Seventh one is online tutoring. Online tutoring is one of the most trending uh, topic nowadays, uh, because there are numerous websites that can give you a handsome amount for the tutorial that you are provided to him. There are different websites: uh, Vijanto.com, myprivatetutor.com, bharattutor.com, tutorindia.com, and tutorialpoint.com is one of the famous websites. Eighth one is social media management and strategy. Social media management and strategy means that you can also earn money from Facebook by putting ads by the channel, Twitter and Instagram and Snapchat accounts, by promoting a specific product. Ninth one is website designing. By website designing means that you can also earn by website designing of by designing or coding a website for any of the client, and after the website design and upload them, you will be paid for it for the creativity. Tenth one is content writing. There are different websites like contentmart.com that will pay for you after for the content writing. There are different tasks, different articles that you may get them after bidding that, and after you will work, they will pay for it. Blogging. So blogging is another way from where you can get multiple money sources. And the last one is YouTube and Kindle ebook. By YouTube, making a YouTube channel, and after monetization you will get a handsome amount from it. You will make videos or create a different you make videos and upload them, and as the users watch the video, and there are different ads in the video as well, so that you can earn from your YouTube as well. Kindle ebook, if you are interested in writing, then Kindle is one of the best option. You will write some of the article, or maybe some of the books, and after that, each people that will read make you pay for it. Selling your own products, you can also sell online products and get a handsome amount. PTC websites means pay per click websites. This is a small way to earn online money. Peer-to-peer, Amazon is one of the best example of the peer-to-peer money. Data entry also allows you to earn online money, but it is uh, but the amount of the money that you will earn from the data entry or PTC website is very much low. So these are all the reviews about how you earn online money. So stay tuned and wait for the next video. Thank you.